Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have found a beautiful way to store my butter, this beautiful butter crock from 4Home. It's not only a stylish way to store your butter, but it's also a conversation piece and a decorative art piece for your kitchen or dining room. I love the beautiful and elegant design on the side. It comes in different colors so it can match your decor no matter what it is. It was very easy to use. You simply soften your butter and pack it in the lid, fill cold water in the base of the crock, and the butter creates an airtight seal that keeps your butter fresh. I've been using this butter crock for about a month and I have had no problems with my butter spoiling. I personally like to make homemade butter, and I love that I can fit it in the crock with ease and I don't have to shape my butter into a rectangular butter dish. And I like to keep mine on the countertop so that the butter is always softened and ready to use. This is the perfect size to keep in your refrigerator or on your countertops. It's also dishwasher safe, which means it's a breeze to keep everything clean. I change out my water every other day, and when my butter runs out, I throw the whole thing in the dishwasher. In my house with pets and kids, I can't have a whole lot of nice things, but I love that this is durable and chip resistant so I don't cringe when my kids pick it up. So if you're looking for a great gift for a loved one or just looking to jazz up your kitchen a little bit, then you can't go wrong with this beautiful butter crock from 4Home. And that's my point of view.